Home Remedies presents how to make bay leaf tea for better digestion. Did you know that bay leaf could do wonders for your gastrointestinal system? Studies have shown that organic compounds found in bay leaves are effective for setting an upset stomach and soothe irritable bowel syndrome (IBS). The unique enzymes present in these leaves help facilitate efficient digestion and metabolism of complex proteins. Bay leaf is a natural remedy for the digestive irregularities such as constipation, heartburn, and irregular bowel movement. Today we will see how to make a simple bay leaf tea that helps speed up metabolism and digestion. Ingredients: bay leaves 1 large. Use 1 cinnamon stick or half teaspoon cinnamon powder. Water 300 ml. Lemon and honey are optional. Method: boil water with bay leaf and cinnamon for 5 to 6 minutes. Switch off the flame and close the lid for 3 to 4 minutes. Now strain the water in a cup and add lemon and honey if you want. Drink this tea and give a healthy start to your day. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.